Hi everybody, this is Seraphim's Whim. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my YouTube video. So recently in the backyard we've been having some really cute neighbors, some really cute visitors. It is a mom and her two babies. They're so cute. They still have their little spots because you can see how young they are. They're like fresh babies. It's just really amazing to see how cute they are. And I'm so appreciative that they come by and just kind of wander around. They live in our kind of in our backyard and like in our community, which is really sweet. And it just brings me so much joy when I get to see them and they pop by. I love all of our little nature critters. We get a lot of different ones. We get lots of squirrels, of course, birds and all that, but deer are so pretty, and they're just so, there's something so calming about them, and it makes me happy to not live in a big city, so I actually get to see the deer quite a bit. This August I got to celebrate one of my friends' birthdays, and it was a lot of fun. We decided to have a party, and so the party's theme was essentially everything that they love. So the theme was literally things I love. And it was so fun. We all dressed up in different things that they liked. And I actually, funny enough, I wanted to do something that would be like, that would basically make them laugh. So when they saw me, like, that's ridiculous, and they'd have a giggle. And yeah, I just wanted to do something that would make them smile. So I actually decided to dress up as their Starbucks order, which I thought was really funny. So I literally, I basically used things that was around my house. So I didn't buy anything for this costume, which was really nice. I basically picked up things that were already in my craft corner or that I just had in my house. And so basically I used felt mostly. And it's felt that I use sometimes when I'm like doing little crafts. Their usual Starbucks order is actually a venti dragon drink with the sweet cream, what do you call it? The vanilla sweet cream cold foam. And so that's literally what I dressed up as. I used the felt on the side as like the label for the drink. I used literally a Starbucks cup topper thing. Honestly, I just reused it from a drink that my partner got the other day. I put felt in that, made a little straw, and then I cut out all these like little dragon fruit squares, and I basically made like the little dragon fruit with just some Sharpie paint and black puff paint that like I said, I already had all this stuff at my house anyway, including the ribbon. And so yeah, this is my outfit, and this is my little costume for the birthday party. I think this outfit's really cute. I think it's super cheesy. The little like little dragon fruit squares are cute. I basically made them like a little scarf. And then I put some in my hair as well. Put some in my hair. And oh, this is a little joke, but I'm wearing like these big heels, like these big Stephen Madden pink heels, because I'm venti. So I'm average height. I am average height. I'm 5'3", but these heels make me like 5'7" or something like that. So I was joking because I'm wearing the heels that I'm an actually venti drink. I'm also fairly broad, but you know, like I'm a venti drink. I literally live for a themed party. Like, theme parties are the best. If anyone ever invites me to anything and they're like, oh, this is a theme, this is the vibe, like, you know, I'm gonna show up. I'm never scared of looking ridiculous, because I don't know, what's the worst that happens? You look silly? That's great. That's fine. I have no problem being a weirdo. I have no problem looking like a weirdo or looking silly. So I had a lot of fun with this. It was really cute, and they got a good laugh out of it, which made me really happy. And naturally, even though I am not a baker, I think I've proved that before, I am not good at baking. I still wanted to make something sweet that we could all share for their birthday. And so I settled on like cupcakes, because I knew that I've made these before and that they would come out good. It's just a Betty Crocker mix. And then on top, I actually did a different type of frosting. And the frosting is essentially like whipping cream. It's like 35% whipping cream. And then you put like one package of instant pudding mix in. And it was really good. I mixed it up in the kitchen made blender, and it turned out really awesome. And it's sweet, but it's not too sweet, which is really nice. And then I just melted some chocolate for the little bears' faces, and I used Oreo cookies, mini Oreo cookies for the ears, and I think they turned out pretty cute. I think some of the faces could have come out better, but it was a little hard. Like the first face came out perfectly, and the other faces kind of came out a little silly, but that's okay. For the birthday party, we ended up playing Pokemon, which was really cool. It's basically like it is a game to stay hydrated, I'll say. And so you have all these little squares. We just downloaded this online, and you step on a square, and then you have to drink a glass of water, so to say. And it was really, really fun. We had a good time. We ended up singing a lot of anime songs too at the end of the night, so it was cool. I really want to do more of these things for people's birthdays because I have a lot of fun, like I said, with anything theme related or celebrating people. Like, I feel like a big thing that I want to do is celebrate the people in my life more and show appreciation for them in the ways that I do. And I think if making other people happy makes you happy, then do that. And I think making other people happy makes me really happy. I also ended up going thrifting with my friends, and we basically just went to one stop, but we went to Value Village, and it was really nice. I love thrifting. Thrifting is so relaxing to me. I find it really enjoyable just looking through everything because every single thing in there is different. And so it's kind of like the hunt of like you're hunting to find the perfect thing. And I found a lot of beautiful, amazing things thrifting, and especially like things that are handmade or just things you would never find shopping at the mall. And to me, that's just, it fills my heart. Just, I feel like to me, thrifting is like a type of meditation. Like, I just enjoy looking at everything, flipping through stuff, and kind of finding those special gems. This time, I ended up finding a couple cute things. I'm really happy with what I got. I found some Mickey Mouse earrings that I'm actually planning on basically wearing when I go to Disney next. I found this really cute plastic like heart and star gem necklace, and it's obviously like kind of cheap but super cute. I can wear it with like Decora or any other kind of J fashion, like really poppy, bright, fun kind of kidcore aesthetics and stuff. So I'm really excited about that. I love anything that has like that kind of pastel-y, soft look to it. I have a really hard time sticking to one aesthetic, so I kind of bounce around and just pick what I like, and then I pair things that I like together. And this is me styling it. I'm going to style each of the things that I got other than the Mickey Mouse earrings. I found this a little bit tricky to style, so I'm going to try again at some point to see if I like something better matched with it. I've always had a hard time sticking to one look and one style because there's so many different styles that I like. I love cottagecore, I love angelcore, I love, Japanese fashion like Mizuno, Decora, Lolita, all these fashions. And it's so tricky, right? I honestly blame manga because you always flip through different panels and you see like the main characters in different outfits, and you're like, oh wow, she's wearing this look and her hair is done like this. And like shoujo girlies always look amazing. They look amazing whether they're in PJs, whether they're out on a date, whether they're out at school. They have a different hairstyle. And so like for me, I'm like, oh, I always want to look cute like that, and I want to dress up. And so I do have a hard time sticking to one look and style. I got this really cute white and blue striped shirt. It's long sleeves, and this is kind of an example of like you find something like this is from Old Navy, right? And it was $8, and I'm like, well, that's kind of pricey for Old Navy at a thrift store. But at the same time too, like I'm never gonna see this again. It's obviously not sold at Old Navy anymore, but it has a lot of potential, right? So I did pick it up. I think it's really cute. This is me kind of styling it in like a Tenchi Kaiwai Mizuno style look. And like I said, I think it's really cute with little angel wings, and never underestimate the powers of like a basic. Like I think this would work really well with layering. You could put a shirt over top of it or wear this on top of something else, etc. Striped shirts like this actually make me think of like, It has like main character energy, you know, like Chihiro from like Spirited Away, or like Ness from Earthbound. Like it gives me like cartoon character vibes. And I've always been told like curvy people or like, you know, rounder people shouldn't wear stripes because it makes you wider. I don't care about that stuff. Throw all that stuff out the window. You can wear whatever you want. Make it look cute. Like I don't think there's such thing as fashion rules. As long as you feel comfortable in something and it makes you happy, then just do it, right? Like life's too short. Have fun. I got this adorable coat. This coat was basically brand new. Even when I washed it, it actually bled, like the fabric bled, which shows me that it's never been washed before. Yeah, it was like brand new. The inside lining is really soft and nice. It's actually like Game of Thrones House of the Dragon. So this was a really good find for $23. Really cute. I like the like I think you call it peplum. I like the peplum, the flare, especially because it cuts my waist, which I think is really flattering on myself. I think this is a really cozy, cute coat for fall time and winter, and I can definitely see myself wearing this for a LARP or any fantasy fashion styles, and also just really kind of cute schoolgirl style. I love that it has a hood. That's probably my favorite thing about it. The buttons are not my favorite, but I think they are cute. I'm still debating whether or not I might want to replace them. I found this really cute belt that's made of like pop can tabs. And I'm like, this is so cute. This also makes me think of like, I don't know, like the 2000s or whatever, or like that kind of time. Like it's so cute and kind of cheesy, but somebody obviously took time to make this and it was sold for $4. And I'm like, I actually like this. This is adorable. I love anything that's handmade. And I'm like, I can make this look cute. And so I kind of went with like a Monster Energy look. And yeah, I just basically matched it with some green, put some black on, and it's a cute little accessory for like $4. I love that. I don't know who made this, but whoever did, like, good job. Thank you. I appreciate you. And thank you for donating it, right? Like, sometimes people look at what's in their wardrobe and like, oh, no one's going to want this. No one's going to want me to donate it. And like, I do. Please donate it. The weird thing that you think no one wants that you handmade, I want it. And the amount of handmade stuff that I've donated to is quite a bit, right? Like I've donated handmade Lolita dresses to the thrift store, handmade like fancy Rococo style stuff. I got these really cute fur boots from the thrift as well. I think they're adorable. The moment I saw them, I actually thought of like Nana, like Hachi from the series Nana. I'm like, these are like boots Hachi would wear. Because they're just so cute and kind of girly, but also kind of like artsy. And well, I decided to style them a little bit more fantasy-esque. I'm wearing like this green, almost like holly clothing style shirt that has embroidery, which is really cute. It's oversized. And I'm matching it with a poncho. And this is just a cute little outfit that I would wear in the fall, or obviously to LARP or whatnot. I feel like a little adventurer. I need like a little satchel and I'm ready to go. Pack some bread and an apple in my bag, and you know, you never know what's going to happen next. I'm happy to have some boots that I know that I'll wear in the fall and winter, and I think that these are perfect for that. And the more you wear clothes that make you happy, the more you'll attract people that like the same things as you, which is really cool. Or you'll inspire your friends or other people to branch out as well and basically explore their own fashion tastes. After thrifting, we ended up actually going to Dollarama, which is a dollar store in Canada. I ended up picking up a bunch of books, which was really surprising. I picked up a bunch of cookbooks, and obviously I love cooking. Should I say I love cooking, or should I say I love eating? Let's be honest. Like, I love eating. I love eating good food. So I picked up 3 different cookbooks, and I want to try to make new recipes, right? I think variety is the spice of life. So I need to work on my cooking skill. We got to bring that meter up. We got to level up, fam. We got to level up that cooking skill. So I picked up the Unofficial Universal Cookbook, which has a bunch of really cool things like cinnamon cronut muffins. That sounds really delicious. And a bunch of other things that I'm excited to make. I really want to pick out a couple recipes and try them. So stay tuned for that. Maybe I'll try a couple different ones of these. I also picked up a Instapot cookbook, like the official Instapot cookbook. This is great because I love the Instapot. The Instapot's amazing for chicken, cooks chicken really fast and easy. You don't have to worry about it. Low effort meals are amazing. They are the best for every other day. And this is going to be great because it has some really sweet stuff, but it also has just generic, like quick, easy meals. And then lastly, I'm so hype over this because I love Street Fighter. I think Street Fighter is such a great series. It's so, it has a manga, has a game, has its own anime, like all that. It has a movie, I'm pretty sure. It's so fun. I love the characters. I love the character designs. And so I end up stumbling across official Street Fighter cookbook at the dollar store. Like, this is such a win, and it's so cute. Like the photography in it is great. The character, like the design of the book itself, is really fun. So I'm really excited to make a couple of recipes from this book. My favorite character, I love every character actually though. I obviously love Chun-Li. Like she's a queen. Bless the thighs. Not gonna lie, bless the thighs. But I also love Ryu and I love Sakura. And the blonde girl who has like the ringlet pigtails, she's also adorable. Super cute. I play Rose sometimes. I play Rose and I play Blanca when I play Street Fighter, but Ryu's my main. I need to get better at Street Fighter. I'm really excited and I should actually play the new Street Fighter that came out. I kind of just thought that this was fate running into this book because it felt kind of like a lot of things that I'm interested in all wrapped up into one. So obviously I love Street Fighter. I love cooking. I do love cooking. Even if I'm not the best at it, I love it. I love Street Fighter, I love cooking, and I also like getting fit. And so like obviously the Street Fighter characters they're all tank. They're amazing. They're literally fighters. And so like that, I kind of aspire to be a little bit more like that. Like I want to get into boxing. I've done self-defense. I want to, just generally be stronger. And so this was kind of like, I don't know, I got giddy. I got giddy and I got excited. So it doesn't have to be fitness or anything like that. But like when you come across these things, you're like, oh, this is like a little win. So never be embarrassed of the things that make you inspired. Like Street Fighter inspires me. A lot of shonen anime inspires me. So does shoujo. But like if it's something cheesy like anime that like improves your life, makes you happier, motivates you, then just embrace that. That's amazing because that's what's helped motivate me to work on myself, like mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually, all of that stuff. And so just embrace what makes you happy. Don't shy away from it. And what's the worst that happens? You look a little goofy, but people will just giggle and you'll giggle and it'll be all right. I really want to get stronger. And so I am pushing myself to do that. And it's a lot of effort, but it's so worth it. I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching this video. And thank you for tuning in. I have a lot of other exciting things coming up that I would love to share. This has really helped, like I said, motivate me to enjoy the things in my life and to continually do more of the things that I love. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you have a wonderful day. And remember to be kind and always be true to yourself. Thank you. Bye-bye.